Hey guys, this is my first vlog ever. My name is Sam and we're about to go to the water park. I'm at Bahamas, Atlantis, and this place is really cool. So guys, stay tuned. I'm about to go to the water park. Hey guys, we're back at another water slide. It's a racing slide. It's this. See? I don't really want to film because there's people here, so they might be uncomfortable with it, but me and my sister, we're going to race down, and we're going to see who wins, and it's my sister.
Hello.
Yeah, we're going to go up, and we're going to come down, see who wins. Let's see you. See you there. 3, 2, 1.
What's cool? How did you win?
I beat my sister. 528 to 565. Well,
Okay.
nice try.
So
maybe next time.
he won. Okay.
Well, I'm gonna take over for now. And yo, it's like so much wind, bro. Lots of wind. So much wind. Look at that. It's a storm. Yeah? It's a storm, bro. I'm probably gonna go get dry, go get changed, and go. Dude, look at the wind, bro. And it was nice. And then it literally just swished in a second. Hopefully it doesn't rain. We might hang out. If we go anywhere cool, I'll still keep filming for you guys. I think I'm gonna go get changed. Bye. Hey guys, it's raining crazy. Want to see this? You guys see this? It says Atlantis. Atlantis. Hey guys, that's Atlantis, and this is the freaking rain. It's raining crazy, bro. It's raining so hard. I'm gonna go inside now. Bye, guys. Hey guys, I just finished up with everything. Went home, had dinner, and I tried to take a vlog there, but the guy there didn't allow me to. So yeah, I'm sorry about that. And please subscribe, please like and comment. There's a lot more to come. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you guys so much for the love and the support. Bye.